Watch natin yan!
Sino papalit sa Okay. Dear Sir,
No pressure.
as we gather to celebrate our 24th anniversary. Sige kayo magtagal. Sinusira niyo yung momentum ko. Dear Sir Gatem, as we gather to celebrate our 24th high school reunion, we do so with pride. Not just in what we've achieved, but in the people who helped us get there. You were one of those people who believed in us, challenged us, and encouraged us to do better. Every milestone we've reached carries a quiet trace of your influence. Whether through discipline, encouragement, or simply believing in our potential, when we didn't yet see ourselves, you played a role in shaping the path that we took. Having you here today makes this celebration even more meaningful. You are a part of our success stories, whether big or small, and we are grateful to share this milestone with you and celebrate the impact that you've had in our lives. Sincerely, class of 2002.
Yay!